What is being done today in Illinois to law-abiding citizens who are exercising their constitutional rights is absolutely shameful.
Pro-gun rights lawmakers want some Illinoisans exempted from the state's ban on military-style assault weapons.
Governor Pritzker today responded with a passionate defense of the law.
Our political editor Mike Flannery has more.
This latest gun debate in the state capitol erupted as Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett today received a request to overturn Illinois' ban on military-style rifles. Activists telling Barrett they are suffering much more than intangible harm to constitutional rights. The governor disagrees.
It is to the freedom of the people of Illinois that we are addressing this law. Their freedom to be at the Highland Park parade without getting shot and killed.
While hoping the Supreme Court will move quickly to overturn Illinois' assault weapons ban, some downstate lawmakers want the state to carve out an immediate exemption for those who bought such rifles recently. A judge in southern Illinois did block enforcement of the ban for 6 days, during which local gun shops were busy selling hundreds of the firearms. A strict reading of Illinois' ban suggests all those gun buyers could be subject to fines or even criminal charges when the law takes full effect next January.
It is chaos in parts of the state, absolute chaos. If you saw how many phone calls and emails my office was getting, you'd be shocked.
The governor said those fears are exaggerated.
What the law says is that as of January 1 of 2024, that people will need to fill out the affidavit that they have one of those guns. That's really all it is. There's nobody going after anybody, but that is what the law says.
One more part of the long legal gunfight to come. Some assault weapons owners vow not to fill out the required affidavits, saying they could violate their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. I'm political editor Mike Flannery.